10 Top Construction Tech Gadgets on Amazon 2025. Did you know that over 70% of construction projects go over budget or past their deadlines, and technology might be the only thing keeping that number from skyrocketing? From precision surveying to intelligent power tools, the construction site of today is evolving faster than ever. Gone are the days of clipboards and guesswork. In 2025, smart tools and cutting-edge gadgets are not only saving time and money, they're making job sites safer and more efficient. Whether you're a seasoned contractor, a tech-curious builder, or just someone who loves a good power tool, these 10 construction tech gadgets on Amazon are game changers. Let's dig in. Pun fully intended. Trimble R12 iGNSS Receiver. The Trimble R12 iGNSS receiver is like having a construction-grade satellite dish in your hand, except it's portable, fast, and deadly accurate. Built for surveyors and civil engineers, this receiver uses Inertial Measurement Unit (IMU) technology combined with Trimble's ProPoint GNSS engine to deliver centimeter-level accuracy, even in tricky conditions like urban canyons or dense forests. That means you can take measurements where other receivers just throw in the towel. However, this kind of precision tech comes with a steep learning curve and an even steeper price tag, which might scare off newcomers. Still, imagine reducing survey time from hours to minutes, all while dodging drop signals and rework headaches. If your projects demand extreme accuracy, and let's be honest, they should, this tool turns close enough into dead on. DeWalt FlexVolt Oscillating Multi-Tool. If Batman had a tool belt, there's no doubt the DeWalt FlexVolt Oscillating Multi-Tool would be in it. This thing is the Swiss Army knife of job site power tools, handling cutting, scraping, sanding, and even grout removal with a level of finesse that makes manual labor feel, dare we say, satisfying. What sets this apart in 2025 is the FlexVolt battery system, which automatically switches voltages depending on the tool, offering serious versatility and runtime. But fair warning, it's a noisy beast, and learning to swap heads quickly takes some practice unless you enjoy fumbling and frustration mid-project. Still, it's hard not to love a tool that basically tells your toolbox, "Step aside, I've got this." For tight spots, awkward angles, and random fix-it tasks that seem impossible, this DeWalt multi-tool is your new best friend. Makita XRU 15Z 18V X2 LXT Blower. Yes, it's a blower, but the Makita XRU 15Z 18V X2 LXT is far from your average leaf chucker. This cordless beast is designed for serious cleanup power on dusty, debris-ridden job sites where time is money and every speck of concrete dust matters. With dual 18-volt batteries powering a brushless motor, it delivers high air volume without choking out halfway through the workday. It's also surprisingly quiet for something this powerful, which makes it perfect for early morning crews trying not to wake the whole neighborhood. FLIR CM17 Thermal Imaging Clamp Meter. The FLIR CM174 is what happens when a clamp meter eats a thermal camera for breakfast. This hybrid tool is a dream for electricians and HVAC pros who are tired of guessing where that short, overload, or hotspot might be hiding. It uses infrared-guided measurement, IGM, to visually show you where potential electrical issues are occurring, before they become major headaches or safety hazards. That alone can save hours of troubleshooting, especially in older buildings or high-risk areas. Of course, you'll need to understand thermal imagery to get the most out of it, and it's not exactly cheap. But it pays for itself the first time you find a fried circuit in seconds rather than tearing apart an entire panel. Milwaukee M12 Fuel Caulk Gun. Yes, a powered caulk gun sounds like overkill, until you try the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Caulk Gun and realize how painfully slow and inconsistent manual ones are. This cordless caulker is designed to give you precise control over bead size and flow, which means fewer drips, less waste, and cleaner seams, even when working overhead or at awkward angles. It's powered by Milwaukee's trusted M12 battery platform, making it perfect for drywallers, tilers, window installers, and anyone who's ever cursed under their breath while applying sealant. It's a bit bulky, sure, and might not seem necessary for small DIY projects, but on big jobs, It reduces hand fatigue and ensures consistency from start to finish. DJI Matrice 300 RTK Drone. If a drone could wear a hard hat, it would be the DJI Matrice 300 RTK. This is not your weekend hobby drone. It's a high-flying construction tool built for industrial mapping, thermal inspections, and real-time project oversight. With up to 55 minutes of flight time, obstacle avoidance in 6 directions, and compatibility with payloads like LiDAR and thermal cameras, this drone turns surveying and site inspections into a high-tech breeze. But there are caveats. It's expensive, requires FAA clearance in most regions, and needs a trained operator. Still, when you consider how many hours and dangers it saves on large sites, it's worth every penny. Autodesk AutoCAD mobile app. Who says you need to be behind a desk to draft blueprints? The Autodesk AutoCAD mobile app brings full CAD capabilities right to your phone or tablet, allowing you to view, edit, and annotate DWG files on-site without waiting to get back to the office. This is a massive time saver for architects, engineers, and site managers who need to make fast decisions with up-to-date drawings. Of course, drawing with your fingers on a phone screen can feel a bit like finger painting with engineering precision, and complex files may bog down older devices. Bosch GL L3-330 CG laser level. The Bosch GLL3-330CG is like having a full construction crew's worth of precision in one compact gadget. With its triple-plane 360-degree green laser lines, you get flawless leveling, alignment, and squaring, all visible up to 200 feet even in bright conditions. The connectivity feature adds a modern twist, letting you adjust and monitor it via your smartphone. Because yes, even your laser level has Bluetooth now. It's rugged, reliable, and saves you from redoing work due to misalignment. Just don't forget to recalibrate occasionally. Even the best lasers can drift if dropped or mishandled. Hilti TE500 AVR Breaker. The Hilti TE500 AVR is not just a demolition tool. It's a controlled earthquake in your hands. Built for breaking concrete, chipping tile, or demolishing brick walls, this breaker delivers massive impact energy while reducing vibration through active vibration reduction technology. That means more comfort during long jobs and a lower chance of hand-arm fatigue, which is a real concern in heavy-duty trades. It's built like a tank, with Hilti's legendary engineering, and is surprisingly nimble for something so powerful. Downsides? It's loud, it's heavy, and you'll definitely want ear protection. Topcon Hyper HRGNSS Receiver. Last but not least, the Topcon Hyper HRGNSS receiver is a technological marvel that blends GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou satellites into one precision-focused tool for surveying and layout work. With tilt compensation and rugged IP67 durability, this receiver keeps going in harsh conditions. Rain, mud, construction dust, you name it. It's ideal for field crews that need high-accuracy data without wasting time on traditional methods. Of course, it's a complex piece of equipment and not something you just unbox and wing your way through. But for those trained to use it, it delivers data faster and more accurately than ever before. If you found this list helpful, inspiring, or just plain cool, do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What tool blew your mind? What should we cover next? Your support helps us keep bringing you the latest in tech, tools, and smarter work. Thanks for watching, and until next time, build smarter, not harder.